Let me start with a simple question. Pwede bang CAP-MR ang pneumonia kung 1 day lang ang confinement or 2 days? Kung ang pasyente ay may community-acquired pneumonia moderate risk, pero 1 to 2 days lang ang stay sa hospital, may isang bagay na hindi tugma. Because CAP-MR is not a mild illness. At dito pumapasok ang isang important concept, length of stay. Several years ago, may rule ang PhilHealth. For CAP moderate risk, kailangan ng 96 hours confinement. That is about 4 days. If the patient stayed less than 96 hours, the claim could be denied. But that rule was short-lived. PhilHealth later retracted the 96-hour requirement. Today, wala nang fixed number of hours. Pero may isang important clarification. PhilHealth has never officially recommended a specific length of stay for pneumonia. Walang circular na nagsasabing dapat ganito karaming araw. However, from the perspective of health insurance, length of stay still matters because it becomes an indirect measurement of quality care. When PhilHealth reviews a claim, they want to see proof that the hospital delivered complete and proper services, meaning the hospital followed clinical practice guidelines, quality policies, proper pneumonia management. This includes correct signs and symptoms, appropriate diagnostics, gold standards if maari, proper treatment, gold standard medicines again if maari, monitoring of patient response, complete documentation sana. These services usually take time. Hindi ito 1 day or 2 days na activity. Let us apply simple logic. CAP-MR is a potentially toxic illness. The patient may have ubo, fever, hirap sa paghinga, sometimes may comorbidities pa. Now imagine this, na-admit ang pasyente today. Then tomorrow, discharge na, 1 or 2 days lang. Common sense will ask, was the illness really moderate risk? 1 day or 2 days lang? Sana outpatient na lang to. Of course, iba ang kwento if namatay or home against medical advice ang reason ng 1 or 2 days. In my masterclass sessions with hospitals and in my training for medical evaluators, I usually share this recommendation. I repeat, this is my recommendation. A very short length of stay for pneumonia, moderate risk, can place the claim in a red flag situation, especially when the confinement is only 1 or 2 days, because it creates a mismatch. Mismatch between diagnosis, severity, and clinical course. This will create unnecessary attention. Pagdudahan ng claim nyo, babasahin nila ang buong CF4, then makikita nila na disorganized ang documentation nyo. So potential risk or denied na. The key concept here is alignment. The diagnosis must align with the symptoms, the severity, the treatment, and the clinical timeline. If the diagnosis says keep moderate risk, but the patient stayed only 1 day, the evaluator may question the case, and that question can affect the claim outcome. That is why hospitals must think about this carefully. My recommendation to client hospitals is this. Every hospital should develop a clear internal policy, a policy that defines how CAP-MR cases are managed. The policy must work for PhilHealth requirements, the clinicians, and most importantly, the patients. This creates a consistent approach to care and documentation. Dapat your doctors must understand the concept here. Hindi to puro medical concepts. Partly health financing concepts ito, insurance compensability. So even though PhilHealth no longer requires 96 hours, the concept behind length of stay still teaches us something important. Length of stay is a signal of quality care. If CAP-MR is the diagnosis, the documentation, treatment, and clinical course must align. When alignment is clear, the claim becomes stronger and more defensible. if you want your hospital to strengthen CAP-MR documentation and avoid unnecessary claim problems. I regularly train doctors and hospital teams on clinical documentation and claims alignment because better systems can protect millions in hospital revenue. This is Coach Doc Ben, your 100 million claims architect.